okurugera hari umukuru w'entebe ya gatanu muri district ya Rubanda na meya wabo muri district ya Kanungu nibagira ngo ibyo burambuzi nibyetengo kongerwamo amani mu bicweke byehingurezi hamba.
That we must inject in money to get out. We must work on the roads. People must be on tarmac to get to the parks. People must be in an environment that allows them to enjoy their money when they are here.
Tukabera turenda ngo Buhoma Town Council kutungo buyambi kuruga mu government ninga empa buyambi ezirakora na park batwombekere cyo bareta ku Raft Village abana bona baze mu mwanya gumwe guri mu obuduka bwabo buri mu restaurant ho kurira buri mu kana ho kwejo na buri mwanya gw'kitinisa.
Ambrose Amanyire Mwesije RDC wa Kanungu ashabira abatura okugumana barinde byo bahangwa no kutahembere kurebeka aho ubwire bwona climate change okugira ngo cyubahwere okuganyurwamo na no kukorese hanzirwe ebirumwe nyamishwa ebimera emigera hamwe n'ubuhangwa bw'abantu.
And take us to the fact that our climate is changing, and these gorillas we are proud of today, if this climate continues changing at this rate, they will be extinct even if they try to multiply. Someday will come, the temperatures will be good for them, they will die.
Hariho bimwe ebyorekirwe ebirumwe by'emikono ebyobuhinzi okukoresa karimagezi hamwe na ebyoburambuzi hamwe n'ebyobushubuzi.
We have areas of concentration and we are saying we have to restore the degraded areas. That is part of the exacerbation.
Ikirereka ngo engagi n'ikikoko cy'amani icyo kubanza cyagiyona kubaho kw'ingagi mwihamba rya Bwindi gahindura icyaro cyakimanyirwe munonga cya Bwindi cyaba icyaro cy'ukuru munonga aho rashanga bure bazungu bona barinangirije barebe ingagi.
Nelson Guma urukuri hamba rya Bwindi Impenetrable National Park achamze ngo engagi nereto buceka nkaga hariga na hantasi yihanga ombyo burambuzi ekinte cyonjire ntasi yihanga nukwe kuraganisa abantu ngwe sente ezero kubaganisibwa revenue sharing neza kweyonzera ombwire butaro bwa hade.
This gorilla levy, the $10 is a flat fee. We are in discussion, we have agreed in principle that this money must be a percentage. So that
the engage, the Shima, and the humans, are all interlinked.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Hweza Wilfred.